Okay, today we're going to be adding and editing text. So first you want to just double click on the text that you want to change. So we'll click here. We'll see that this box comes up over here, this little window, text settings. If we click on heading, we can see there's a drop down that gives us several options. You just want to choose the best one that works for you. We can adjust the size with this radial toggle. Fonts. There's many fonts you can choose from. We'll just leave this one. You can make it italic, bold, underline. We can change the orientations. Let's change the color. Okay, so if we look, we just drag our cursor over top of the colors and it changes the text color for us. This one looks nice, so we click on it and hit X, and there we go, we've changed our color. If we scroll down a bit, we can see effects, and let's go ahead and choose this and give it some shadow so it pops out a bit. Character spacing, we can move this with a radial toggle as well, make it more narrow or more wide depending on our likes. And there's a few other options, but we'll leave it like that. If we hit edit text, if we go ahead and want to change the text itself, we need to double click and then click again and have that cursor show up, and then just use our keyboard to delete and change the name or whatever text you're typing. So with the bottom, it's the same exact thing. We'll double click, we'll click again to where we want our cursor to be, and then we'll just delete. You can also just click on the text itself, the bar, and hit delete, and it will go away. But if we see that we type in here, it just matches all of the settings of that text that was already there. If we go over here to add and click on text, we can choose a theme text, a title, a paragraph, whatever we want to add. Let's go to pleasant title. We see that our pleasant title just pops right up right there in the middle of the screen. So we'll delete this one and we'll drag this one down. You see how these lines pop up? This just helps you center it wherever you want it. They usually line up with other pre-existing editions. So we'll type in something here, and this doesn't really show up very well, right? So let's go ahead and change the color. Now if we try to change the color, you'll notice that it's not changing. Okay, we need to highlight it. Now we go back to color, and now all of our changes will be made. So let's choose white to have it pop. And there you have it. You've added text and edited text.